Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to edit units on TripAdvisor. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to edit units on TripAdvisor. Maybe because the units on the TripAdvisor are different than the units that you use. Like you live in US and the TripAdvisor units are different, or maybe you live in UK and the TripAdvisor units are different. Or there could be any other reason for you to change or edit the units on TripAdvisor. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the TripAdvisor app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the TripAdvisor app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app look. We have some of the options at the top of the screen and some of the options at the bottom as well. And into the middle of the screen, there are different places that you could go visit, and if you're looking for restaurants, they are also available into these places. So now if you're just going to purchase a place, or maybe you're just going for rent a place, there you will see the measurements of the house or maybe the room, and you found that these units are different than the units you use. So if you want to change it, you have to click onto this account option. Once you get there, you will see this interface which is written account, and it has different options. So from all these options, you just have to simply click on this fourth option, which is preferences. This one, just simply tap onto this option and you will get into preferences. Once you get there you will again see different options and also a title of preferences. Every option here is different from each other and is on purpose in this app. So from all these options, you just have to simply click onto this option which says units. These units are actually the measurement units that we use to measure a place, a size, or maybe an area. So there are two options available: miles slash feet and kilometers slash meters. So whatever option you use the most, or whatever option is mostly used in your country, so you can choose that option. Actually, in the world, there are two options. Some people use other units measurement and some people use other ones. So it's all up to you. Whatever you prefer, you use them. And after that, any area or place will have these unit measurements. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change units on TripAdvisor. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.